QMinder offers businesses the following products: check-in kiosk, service dashboard, digital signage TV, analytics, and instant messaging. The QMinder check-in kiosk allows the patient to invoke a personal atmosphere while avoiding confusion. When it is the following patient's turn, the display will highlight their name and play a special notification or chime, and the next patient in the queue will move up in the list. Although there are many queuing systems on the market, the patient queuing system that constitutes the best solution based on the needs of the diagnostic center is the QMinder system. QMinder is a reputable, proven system that has the necessary functionality and HIPAA-compliant features required of the diagnostic center. As mentioned before, with the implementation of the visual queuing system and the added satisfaction of the audible alert, combined with the text message component, the patient experience will be significantly improved. Moreover, with our competitors lacking a comparable technological system, such as QMinder, we should also see a significant growth in social satisfaction as the positive changes are propagated in the community. QMinder is a HIPAA-compliant company and has been HIPAA certified. HIPAA, or Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, protects employees in a healthcare facility, patients, students, non-clinical employees, insurance companies, companies hired for billing, and electronic medical records. HIPAA compliance is a significant law that healthcare organizations, government, patients, and their families take seriously, and so should employees. As a healthcare leader, I must ensure that employees remain HIPAA compliant with any system utilized. Failure to protect a patient is an ethical problem that healthcare organizations face every day, and is considered a breach of duty. POSGAR defines a breach of duty as the failure to conform to or the departure from a required duty of care owed to a person. Healthcare organizations have an ethical responsibility to their patients to provide safeguards for the information they collect. Organizations need both employee and organizational buy-in. Buy-in is rooted in the act of an individual or group giving something in return for something else. Buy-in involves one's tangible or intangible return in one's investment. Employee buy-in is essential for the queuing system to succeed. The more buy-in employees demonstrate in support of the change, the more likely the change will be successful and sustained over time. If the organization does not get buy-in from employees, all efforts to get the patient queuing system running will be a struggle. In addition, achieving buy-in depends on timely, accurate communication between managers and their employees. With financial support from CMS, administration, the board of directors, and the board of trustees, a patient queuing system will help save the company costs, bringing in revenue, and increase employee and patient experience. For which of you desiring to build a tower does not first sit down and count the costs, whether he has enough to complete it? Luke 14:28. Several departments will have to help aid in this project. First, the board of directors, board of trustees, and the administration team will have to agree to implement the system. Then Community Health System will have to approve the new system, as they own Woodland Heights Medical Center and the Diagnostic Center. Once the queuing system is approved and the finances are in place, QMinder is contacted. QMinder and the accounting department will need to determine the cost of the system and sign a contract with CHS. QMinder will have to set up the system and provide the tools needed, but the information system employees will have to aid in connecting the QMinder system to current systems utilized. The Health Information Management Director will also need to meet with QMinder and the IS team to ensure no HIPAA breaches occur. The admissions department is the frontline staff at the diagnostic center and will need to have education before rolling out the queuing system and learn how to educate patients on how to utilize the kiosk. From the CEO to the janitor, each employee in healthcare should show a servant leader's heart. Servant leaders are people who feel a deep duty of stewardship to others, their coworkers, their organization, and most importantly, their customers. Scripture tells us that for even the Son of Man came not to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many. Although employees at the diagnostic center are not laying down their lives for patients, they need to have a servant leader's heart when assisting patients. By alleviating the stress of keeping up with which patient goes where, and when the queuing system will allow patients to serve their patients better and with a better attitude. Patients are frequently required to wait for considerable amounts of time to have a simple test performed. In modern times, when everyone's life seems rushed, people have a difficult time simply waiting, and time appears to flow slowly when waiting. By implementing a patient queuing system, there are improvements during the patient flow, as both employees and patients have a visual aid to where they are in the throughput process. I have given much information on how the diagnostic center can leverage technology to improve a patient's overall experience, and improve the throughput process. Patients are the reason for healthcare, and they should be at the center of it.